Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share something I've been working on, my custom-designed high-current dual motor driver made specifically for robotics applications. Most of the common dual motor drivers you'll find, like the L298N, TB6612FNG, or L293D, are great for low-current projects. However, when you need serious power handling, the single-channel BTS7960 driver is usually the go-to option. But it only controls one motor. That got me thinking, why not create a dual BTS7960 motor driver? Since a single H-bridge requires two BTS7960 chips, and a full dual motor setup needs 4 BTS7960 ICs on a single PCB. So, that's exactly what I designed. I designed the PCB in Easy EDA software. Then, I generated the Gerber files. And I visited the JLCPCB website. Then, I uploaded my Gerber file to place an order for the PCB. By selecting the quantity and color option, and have successfully ordered the PCB. I prefer JLCPCB for my PCB printing because they consistently deliver high-quality boards at a very affordable cost. Another big advantage is their real-time order tracking. You can follow every step of the process. After just a few days, the package arrived, and I finally had the PCB in my hand. The first thing I noticed was the impressive build quality. The edges were clean, the finish was smooth, and every trace looked perfect. Next, I carefully assembled the PCB, soldering all the components into place. Once the soldering was complete, I powered it up for testing, and it worked flawlessly on the very first try. This is the complete circuit diagram of the motor driver. As you can see, it allows you to connect two separate motors. To control both motors independently, you simply need 4 PWM signals coming from your microcontroller. To see how it would perform in a real project, I attached the driver to a four-wheeled robotic car. The results were fantastic. The motor driver handled high current with ease and stability, proving it's more than capable for demanding robotics applications. If you'd like to get one for yourself, you can place an order through our Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook page. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and reliable high-current motor driver.